Hey everyone, and welcome back to DoorLoop. Today we will be going over the month-to-month rental agreement in the beautiful state of Hawaii and providing you with a free template. So let's hop right into it. With this contract, which can be oral or written, tenants and landlords can enter into a month-to-month lease agreement. However, there is no fixed end date and it automatically renews each time lessees pay rent. So if you need to draft a month-to-month lease agreement in Hawaii, here's everything you need to know to make it easier. Hawaii month-to-month lease agreement. Landlords and tenants can use a month-to-month rental agreement to set their duties, responsibilities, and rights. However, unlike standard contracts, this document legally binds them on a monthly basis, so it's indefinite but temporary. Also, since this document doesn't include a fixed termination date, it is automatically renewed each month when the landlord receives the rent payment. Both parties have full rights under landlord-tenant law. Moreover, they must meet different responsibilities regarding the property's condition and monthly rent payments. Legal disclosures. Like other rental contracts, this document must include the following legal disclosures. Lead-based paint disclosure. Based on the federal lead-based paint rule, landlords must inform tenants about the potential presence of this toxic paint on the property if it was built before 1978. Identification. Property owners must also provide personal information to tenants, including their names, addresses, and tax excise number. Property condition disclosure. Landlords are required to give tenants a written inventory detailing the rental unit's condition. Minimum termination notice. Hawaii's minimum termination notice period varies depending on who ends the lease. Landlords must provide a 45 days notice, while tenants can serve a 28 days notice to terminate the rental agreement. It must always be written. Evicting month-to-month tenants. Hawaii landlords can evict tenants if they send proper notice. The period expires and the lessee remains on the property. In order to start the eviction process, the property owner must file a complaint with the county court. The process can take anywhere from 1 to 4 months or longer depending on the circumstances. Hawaii rental forms. If you need to draft a month-to-month rental agreement in Hawaii, DoorLoop has got you covered. You can find our free rental forms in the description box below. And if you're looking for an efficient property management software that can take your business to the next level, you can also be sure to check out our free demo link, which will also be in the description box below, so don't miss out on that. So with that being said, we hope this video helps you as a property manager in the great state of Hawaii. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one from DoorLoop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.